What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. Today's just going to be kind of a follow along with me. I'm going to hopefully trickle some advice for you, and that'll probably be the title of this video. And I think that we're going to talk about overcoming some obstacles.
Nerf this!
So the sun is out. It's a little chilly today. We've had some up and down weather, but that's weather in New England. So I gotta head to the office right now. I only have one appointment. It's a lease signing with a tenant, so I gotta get that done, and then I'm pretty much free for the day. So let's see where it takes us. There's a Red Sox game in town, and I'm gonna be in Fenway, so you know how that goes. Let's get to it. So I don't know if you just saw that coffee mug in the back, but this morning I was driving Lilly to the office because I'm free, so I'm using her car and I'm gonna pick her up later. But I was drinking that coffee on my way to work today, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this, but I took a turn and the coffee just spilled all in my lap. And it burned pretty bad, but I'll be alright. But it was too big for the cup holders up front, so I put it in the back after I was finished, of course. But man, just going back to some of these mornings that I've had, they've been a little tough, but you know what, you gotta grind through it. So let's get going.
So busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find the peace in me.
Okay. So the two bed in Boylston.
Yep.
Okay.
In Sunlight area?
Yep. $2,600 a month for September 1st?
Yep.
Okay. Great. So I'm assuming you want to go see it?
Yeah. When are you available?
Well, I have to give the tenants 24-hour notice, so I probably could show it sometime tomorrow. You around tomorrow?
Okay. What time? I could be.
Okay, what time works for you? Yeah.
In the morning?
Yeah, that works better for me because I have some things going on in the afternoon. So I will, I'll shoot you a text as soon as I let the tenants know tomorrow, and we'll go see it.
Cool. Sounds good, man. Thank you.
No problem. So I'm on my way to the office right now for the lease signing, and I'll catch up with you after. I just obviously took that phone call, and it took me like an hour to get here. But again, it's just another challenge I had to overcome, and we're on to it. On to the next one. Lease signing is all set, everyone's happy. Sometimes deals can fall apart up until that very moment, and not to say that they can't still fall apart, but again, just another challenge you gotta overcome if it arises. But everything went swimmingly, so I'm done for the day, and it's time to get home and do some work on some side projects. So let's go. So it's funny, right before I hit the road, I just want to share this, that I forgot to bring like any snacks or lunch today, and I usually fast anyway until like 1, 2, sometimes even 3, but I like to eat something before I get on the drive home because of the traffic, and it just keeps me a lot less irritable while I'm driving stuck in traffic, and I didn't have anything to eat, so wish me luck. An hour and 7 minutes. Wish me luck. We're home. Just had to make something to eat. Got some toast here. Before I get to do some work. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill and do some side projects. Like I said, I'll give you a little preview of that. So right now I'm working on getting the logo to one of my companies on this t-shirt. It's just really in its infancy, really early stages, but I already ordered a hat to see how it's gonna look, and I'm ordering a shirt. I don't have the logo on the computer. So I actually did have a proof in my email, just because I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Ignore this recycling behind me. So here it is, just a sneak tip. Voila! Check that out, looks pretty dope, right? Yeah, so more on that soon. That's the hat that I ordered. Looks dope. I'm so excited to see it. So excited to rep it and wear it, and hopefully you guys will too. But now I gotta go get Lily. So right now, just outside Lily's work, waiting for her, catching up on some How to Beast videos. You know the deal. Play the waiting game. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. She's so excited. Ah. Hi, Shui.
Hey.
Where are we going?
You get a haircut?
No, I just shaved my face. I know. See, that's the trick.
We're gonna go open a savings account.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, but I didn't know if I needed to bring anything. I was gonna print out like my W-2s, but they should have that because I have direct deposit, right?
Yeah, you're just opening another thing from the bank that you already have, so yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. So we're gonna go do that, and life hack, if you wanna look cleaner than you actually are, just shave your face. Because I had a real fur burger on my face before, so let's go. So we're about to go into the bank, which is located inside a Stop and Shop. And they're on strike right now, and so we're driving in here, and all these people with like these poster boards, and Lily's like dying over here.
Ashamed.
And so they're like, trying to like force us away and like blowing these air horns and everything. And we do feel kind of bad, but we have to go to the bank. We're literally not buying anything from Stop and Shop, just going to the bank.
Yeah.
And putting this money in the account. As we said earlier, we're literally not getting anything from Stop and Shop. This is fucking wild.
I know. I wish we could show you, but I feel wrong. So don't.
All right.
They'll ugg you.
Yeah. Real quick. The pan.
Okay.
So we couldn't even use the bank for some reason. Supposedly it's unrelated to Stop and Shop. And it's 6 o'clock, so this was like the only branch to go to that was open. Lost my train of thought there, staring at the protesters. So we're just gonna head home. Anything to add? We're just gonna head home. Alright, and we're back at the casa. Just had some Chipotle. It was phenomenal. I'm gonna place you down right here and take a seat. I was just playing with the brightness on the camera because I couldn't figure out why the camera like wouldn't adjust to the correct brightness that I was looking for. But yeah, that's all set now. I'm just gonna chill out and wind down for the rest of the night. But I wanted to leave you with this final thought of the vlog, and hopefully you got something out of this video other than entertainment. I was wild about the Stop and Shop employees. Lily didn't want me to film any more of them. I was actually gonna go talk to one of them, but she said no way, so I didn't want to embarrass her. But anyway, obstacles are always going to be in your way. You're always going to come across a challenge. Things are going to happen. It's just a way of life. Like, if you've been following me on Instagram, you knew that I had a couple of rough mornings. I was late, I got a parking ticket. Things were just not going my way, but what did I have to do? I had to be like an Olympic runner. I had to be like an Olympic runner and hop over those hurdles and just keep on going. And that's really what separates people who get stuff done, is they don't stop at the first roadblock. They find that beaten path to go around and get to the next destination. They don't stop at the first challenge. It's like looking for a property, you know what I mean? You go and you find a property and you don't like something about it, or there's a red flag, or you don't end up getting the deal, whatever the issue is. What do? You go home and quit? No, you keep on moving. You go on to the next one. You come in front of an obstacle and you overcome. You have to adapt and learn to grow from whatever's in your way. So that means if it's a failure, you got to take that failure and see the lesson in it and use it to your advantage so it won't happen again. So I hope all that makes sense, and I hope that this video helps you. Again, my name is Sean. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. And I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you got the post notifications turned on so you won't miss a thing. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe right now. Follow me on Instagram. And if you want to learn how I make videos just like this one and the equipment I use, I always link everything down below. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.